Well, welcome to the 14th annual New York ACG Healthcare Conference. Dimitri, what the heck are you doing here?
Thanks, Brian, for having me. I'm here for ACG's Marquee Healthcare Conference. I'm here representing Bannockburn Global Forex. Bannockburn is a boutique middle market foreign exchange provider to help privately held companies that do international business. So we're always looking for new opportunities and to help all industries. So that's kind of why I'm here today.
Fantastic. What did you find most interesting out of the content and panels we had today?
Honestly, it's interesting that valuation multiples within the healthcare space is still remained at a sustained level. I think we're seeing a lot of multiples being decreased lately in the broader market and the sell-off, but a lot of healthcare companies are still within that like 12 to 15% valuation range, which is definitely interesting. The space.
And volatility tends to differ by geography. How are you seeing your clients respond to this amount of volatility in the market we're seeing?
Yeah, absolutely. Right now with the recent Fed hikes, we had Jerome Powell speak today, the dollar is strong. When there's a lot of volatility and a lot of fear in the world, usually a lot of that moves into the dollar, and thus a lot of different currencies are being crushed right now. What that means for our clients, for businesses, is that, hey, you need to be hedged appropriately. If you're invoicing in other currencies, the value of your product is going down. And that's going to probably continue for the next several months as we see the Fed probably hiking further and other central banks slowly trying to catch up.
Great. Well, so the foreign exchange market is fascinating, but so is the fact that you've been a member of New York for over 3 years. Talk about what you do with ACG New York for us, if you would.
Yeah, so ever since I joined Bannockburn about 3.5 years ago, one of the first things I heard about was ACG. Didn't know really what it was until I came here to New York and just found the wonderful community of bankers, private equity folks, and other service providers who have been awesome and welcoming in the community. And I just kind of love the learning about healthcare, learning about manufacturing, like it goes on and on. My first ever event, believe it or not, was in Montauk.
It's a tough life, folks. It's a tough life.
It's all gone down here from here, just kidding. It's only been better. I'm in the forward committee now, which has been a great experience with Michael Friedberg from Arrowhead.
Excellent.
So
a very tall individual, Michael is. So for those who don't know, what is the forward committee, and talk about what that does for ACG?
So it's everyone, I believe, under 40, so you would still qualify in that regard.
I love this guy. You gotta get more.
Everyone that, it's either you're a deal maker, you're young or young at heart, and you're involved in a lot of different events, whether it's 5-iron golf, like we did recently, or a rooftop drink in the summertime. Just a great way to connect with other people who are relatively new within their careers in the whole M&A and PE ecosystem. So it's a great time. I've met a lot of great friends through it in my 3 years here.
Great. What are some of the events that are coming up in the near term?
I believe we're finalizing a rooftop event for this summer in a couple weeks. And in July, I'll be at that Montauk event, so I'm excited for that.
On the rooftop in the suburb of New York. Can't get better than that. Thank you, Dimitri. Great to see you again.
Thanks, Brian. Appreciate it.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.